So now we'll be doing match the word. So here the question is asking the following words have two different meaning. Match each word with the meaning used in the correct text in the context of text above. So the first word is we have to choose the right answer. Glare. Two options are given. An angry or fierce stare, and the second an intense blinding light. The second one is curb. The first option we have given is a stone edging to a pavement or raised path. The second option, something that checks or restrains. And the third one is hail, to call to somebody in order to attract their attention, to describe somebody something as being very good or special. Commute, to replace a punishment with a less severe one. The second, to travel regularly between workplace and home. Serene, calm and peaceful, an expanse of clear sky or calm sea. Liability, a person or thing that causes you a lot of problems. The second, the state of being legally responsible for something. Deploy, to move soldier or weapon in a position for an action, to use something effectively. Autonomous, a vehicle that has the technology to drive itself. Second, able to do things and make decisions without help from anyone else. The last, perception, a belief or an image about how you see or understand something, the ability to understand the true nature of something. So here you are given two options for the word, and we have to match which one is the correct word. And now we'll go to the answers. So the first one is glare, which means an intense blinding light. The B number, curb, something that checks or restrains. C, hell, to describe somebody, something as being very good or special. C, D, commute, to travel regularly between workplace and home. E, serene, which is calm and peaceful. F, liability, the state of being legally responsible for something. G, deploy, to use something effectively. H, autonomous, a vehicle that has the technology to drive itself. I, perception, the ability to understand the true nature of something. So as you can see, we have provided each answer. Now we move to the next slide. The next slide is choose the correct alternative. So here you are given three options and you have to choose which one is it. So now we'll be doing the questions. Then after that, we'll be doing the answers. So the first one is one of the features of automated cars is that the first one, they wait for the passenger. The second, they approach slowly. Third, they have their own voice to welcome people into them. B. Driverless technology is widely used, particularly in 1. The USA, 2. The UK, 3. The UAE. C. The positive impact of such technology on the environment is first, it prevents road accidents, 2. It paves the way to sustainable life, 3. It reduces carbon production. D. One of the problems with driverless technology is that first, it cannot deal with traffic system, it cannot deal with human drivers, it cannot cope with other cars. E. One of the biggest challenges of the automated car is first, its safety from the human environment, human safety from it, its durability in the human environment. F. The automated technology developed so far is first completely trustworthy, 2. Partly trustworthy, 3. Not trustworthy at all. Now we move to the next slide. So here we'll be doing the answers. As you can see, the answer is in green color. So for the A number, one of the features of automated car is that they approach slowly. B. The driverless technology is being widely used, particularly in the USA. As for C, the positive impact of such technology on the environment is it reduces carbon production. D. One of the problems with driverless technology is that it cannot deal with human drivers. E. One of the biggest challenges of the automated car is its durability in the human environment. F. The automated technology developed so far is partly trustworthy. And now we move to the next slide. So here we'll be doing C number, where it says answer the following questions. So I'll be reading out the questions, and after that we'll move to the answers. A number, mention any three features of the driverless car. So here they have asked you to mention any three features of the driverless car. B. Describe the benefits of driverless technology. So here you have to describe what are the benefits and advantages of driverless technology. So C. What, according to Camilla Fowler, is the special advantage of automated vehicles? So according to Camilla Fowler, as mentioned in the article, what is the special advantages of automated vehicles? D. What are the problems with driverless vehicles in David Hin's view? So according to what David Hinz has said in the passage, we have to write what are the problems with driverless vehicles. E. What are scientists doing to make driverless technology safer? So here you have to write what are the things that scientists are doing to make driverless technology safer. F. Do you think driverless technology is safer than human controlled driving? Why? So here there is a comparison where you have to state that if you think driverless technology is safer than human controlled driving. And now we move to the next slide. So here are the answers to the following questions. A. The three features of the driverless car are travels really slowly, it is used through mobile applications, windscreens provides enough light on the car. B number, the advantages of driverless technology are helps people out of high risk working environment, lowers carbon emission and paves the way for sustainability, it makes traveling safe. And now we move to the C. The advantages of automated vehicles is that it helps in making the roads safer and less fatal, according to Camilla Fowler. D. Human drivers may not behave accordingly as the driverless vehicle do, and they also have to cope with the human drivers speeding, breaking rules of the road in David Hin's view. And now we move to the next slide. E number, scientists are finding ways to get the cars operate safely and effectively in complex and unpredictable human environments by building test grounds for autonomous vehicles. Now move to the next slide. So the question is, think of any three other areas where artificial intelligence AI has been used. What are the benefits of using AI in these areas? Share your ideas with the class. So, firstly, you have to answer what are the three other areas where artificial intelligence has been used. And then you have to mention the benefits of using AI in those areas. And you have to share your ideas with the class. So, below you can see the answer. The three other areas where artificial intelligence has been used are agriculture. It has been used to sort out disease and bacteria in plants. With the help of AI, farmers are able to understand the temperature, water usage, and condition of the soil. And the second area is finance industry. Illegal activities can be detected by AI. AI bots, digital payments can also create a high quality service. And the third area is health industry. AI helps in understanding the human perception by analyzing the complication of medical data and records.